Hello YouTube, this is Faith again, and I am here with another video. And this video is going to be an unboxing. So I'm going to be visiting my family next week, and I wanted a bag for travel. So I decided to get the Neverfull from Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to unbox it on the screen with you, and I'm going to give you a little bit of story time about this particular bag. So the bags that I have from Louis Vuitton right now, they are all in, it's hard to get out, they are all in the damier Urban print. I do like that print. It's a very carefree print. The handles for the damier Urban bags are coated with half treated leather, excuse me. So like if it's raining, you don't have to worry about it. My Speedy, I took it out in the rain last week, and I didn't have to worry about it at all. So it's very carefree, and I do like that. However, I wanted to get the monogram. In the past, I've kind of shied away from the monogram. I thought, oh, it'd be too flashy. But lately, I've just been kind of wanting a monogram bag. I love the look of the vachetta leather, especially when it ages. So I decided to get this bag. This bag was really hard to get, by the way. I went to Louis Vuitton's website because I don't live anywhere near a Louis Vuitton boutique. And the monogram for the Neverfull in the MM size, it was sold out on their website in like every single print. So tan and red, and I think there's a pink one as well, was just sold out. I thought about getting a GM, and I was on the fence about the GM because I thought, oh my god, this bag might be too big, and when I do come back from visiting my family, I would like to be able to use the bag as a work bag, so I don't want to just have it in my closet if I'm not traveling. So I kept going back to the website because I went to the purse forum and they kept saying just keep checking the website throughout the day. Sometimes it does change. And for a while, I was getting call for availability every time I would try and get the monogram Neverfull and MM. So Tuesday night, I went back to the Louis Vuitton website, and I was finally able to get the monogram with the red lining. It said place in cart. I was so excited, so happy. I snapped it up right away. So, since I will be traveling soon, I did spring for overnight shipping. So it is here, and now I'm ready to unbox it, and I'm really excited, and I'm glad to be able to share this with you guys. So here's the box that it came in. You see the usual yellow with the blue writing. So I'm gonna take this off. This looks like, I guess just a blank card. I've gotten that before, I guess, if you want to give it as a gift. So just put that right here. It's kind of tight this time. It's not a knot, so a little bit harder to unfold, but I got it. So there we go. And the ad that comes with it, and the receipt that comes with it as well. And now it is time to actually open up the box. So there we go. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's more cologne. Yep, more cologne. Pass that along to my husband. All right, and here's the bag itself. Da-da-da. Wait, is this the MM size? I don't feel like this is the MM size. Let's see. Looks really small. Oh, no, it is the MM size. Wow. It's a lot smaller than I expected. Gosh, if this is the MM, what is the PM like? And why would anyone even want a PM? Okay, so this is the MM. Here are the straps. It's pretty stiff right now, but the leather smells amazing. Wow. Yeah, so actually this would be a great work bag. Actually, I kind of wonder if it's going to be a good size for me to travel with. I'm going to travel with it because that's what I brought it for. But wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it'd be bigger. It looks bigger when you see it on like YouTube videos and in pictures, but oh well. So there's that. My first monogram bag, and I have to say I like it a lot. Yeah, there's the cinch, and it says Louis Vuitton on it. I don't know if that'll focus or not. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. The pochette. Yay. And it's already attached to the D-ring, so I'm just gonna attach it. And there it is. We'll get into that more in a second. I just want to look at the bag first. There's that pocket right there. Louis Vuitton. Okay. I'm assuming this bag was made in the US because my other Louis Vuitton bags have been made in the US. The inside is just the same exact material as the rest of the lining. There's no like kind of like plasticky lining in it. So, and let's see where it was made. Yep, it was made in the US. See if I can find the date code. Oh, there we go. So it says SD 1818. So this was made the 18th week of 2018. And there's the tag for the date code. I don't know if that'll focus or not, but there it is. And the lines are, they look black to me. So this is what the inside of this bag looks like. Because of the size, I actually think that the purse organizer that I got from my Speedy 30 should be able to fit into this bag just fine. So actually that's really awesome. And I don't have to get another purse organizer for it. So I love the smell of this bag. It is amazing. I don't remember my other two Louis Vuitton bags smelling like this, but this has a nice smell. There's the side of the Vachetta, and it's not really red at all. It's more like a kind of like a burgundy color. So I don't know. I guess if you're looking for this type of bag, like pre-loved, you want to make sure that the lining isn't like super red, and that's probably a sign that it's a fake. But yeah, so this is what it looks like so far, and it's, you know, it's pale, it's white right now. I'm sure it'll patina over time like they normally do. This is what the bottom of the bag looks like. There we go. And this is the pochette, and yeah, pretty firm. I like it. That's what it looks like on the inside. Just says Louis Vuitton Paris. It has a little card that just says that it's coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and man-made lining. So there you go. Also has it in French. This also says made in the US, and it also has a date code like right inside. It has the same exact lining as the bag, so it's just stripes. So yeah, I am excited. I'm excited to be able to carry this while I'm traveling, doing my journeys. So it'll be fun to do that. I love the color. I was a little afraid because on the website, when I saw the bag with the red lining, I thought, oh my god, this probably won't look good. I wasn't sure how I would like it, but I have to say I actually like it. I like the red lining, so I'm really glad I made this decision. I made this choice. So yeah, here is my Neverfull. I'm gonna take this with me and travel, and I guess I'll give more of my thoughts when I come back from visiting my family. And thank you for watching. I know it's been a while since I put up some videos. I do have another video, more like my review of the Speedy. I've been carrying it for 2 weeks now, and I do love it. So I will put up that review along with this video of my unboxing of the Neverfull and my first ever monogram Louis Vuitton bag. I have to say, I really like it. I thought it'd be flashy, but honestly, it's just very neutral colors, and I like it. So there you go. All right, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe so you can see when I put up new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.